Do you know some English words, but you do not know how to make a sentence? Maybe you know words like coffee, school, work, food, music, and friend. But when you try to speak, you do not know what to say. If this happens to you, this video is for you. Today, you will learn how to make simple English sentences in just a few minutes. You do not need difficult grammar. You do not need hundreds of words. You only need one simple idea. Stay until the end and practice with me. And if you want to learn English in a simple way, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's start. A simple English sentence can be very easy. Look at this example. I like coffee. I is the person. Like is the action. Coffee completes the sentence. I like coffee. Now, listen again. I like pizza. I like music. I like movies. I like English. Do you see the pattern? We use I like, and then we add something. Now it is your turn. Think about something you like. Do you like chocolate? Say, I like chocolate. Do you like soccer? Say, I like soccer. Do you like games? Say, I like games. Very good. You are already making English sentences. Now let's learn another easy pattern. I want. I want water. I want coffee. I want food. I want a new phone. I want to learn English. Again, the pattern is simple. We use I want, and then we add what we want. Now think about something you want and say it in English. I want. Great. Now let's try another one. I have. I have a phone. I have a computer. I have a dog. I have a friend. I have a question. With only 3 patterns, you can already make many sentences. I like. I want. I have. Now let's learn how to talk about things you do. You can say, I work. I study. I play. I read. I cook. I walk. These are already simple sentences, but we can add more information. I study English. I play soccer. I read books. I cook dinner. I work every day. Now we can make the sentences a little bigger. Listen, I study English at home. I study English at home every day. We started with I study. Then we added English. Then we added at home. And finally, we added every day. You do not need to make a long sentence immediately. Start with a small sentence and add more information. Let's try another example. I play. I play soccer. I play soccer with my friends. I play soccer with my friends on Saturday. Easy, right? Start small and make the sentence bigger step by step. Now let's talk about other people. Listen carefully. I like music. You like music. We like music. They like music. But with he and she, there is a small change. He likes music. She likes music. Listen again. I work every day. He works every day. I play soccer. She plays soccer. With he and she, we often add an S to the verb. You do not need to memorize everything now. Just listen and practice. With time, it will become easier. Now, I want you to practice with me. I will start the sentence, and you finish it. I like. What do you like? I want. What do you want? I have. What do you have? I study. What do you study? I play. What do you play? Very good. You just made 5 English sentences. Remember, your sentences do not need to be perfect. If you are a beginner, simple sentences are perfect for practice. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The important thing is to start speaking. After this video, try a simple challenge. Make 5 sentences about yourself. For example, I like coffee. I have a computer. I study English. I play games. I work every day. Then say the sentences out loud. Repeat them 2 or 3 times. This will help your brain remember English without translating every word. So remember these simple patterns. I like. I want. I have. I study. I play. Start with these patterns and add your own words. You do not need difficult English to start speaking. You need simple English and practice. 1 sentence today can become 10 sentences tomorrow. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and do not be afraid of mistakes. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to the channel and continue learning English with us. See you in the next lesson.